About an hour from Fort Worth, Texas, is Lake Whitney State Park in Whitney, Texas. With fishing, boating, swimming, and trails, this is a great state park to take the family and enjoy the great outdoors. Admission for adults is $5, while children 12 and under are free. The main attraction is, of course, Lake Whitney. The U.S. Army Corps of Engineers dammed the Brazos River, creating Lake Whitney over the then ghost town of Towash in 1951. The remains of the town can be found at the mouth of Towash Creek, approximately 110 feet down. The boat ramp is located next to the Towash Trail. Bass, sunfish, and bluegill can be found in these waters, and no permit is required if fishing from the shore. Live bait must be caught and used at the lake of origin, and if purchased, you must carry a receipt. One great fishing spot and also a point of interest here is Lake View Point, a small peninsula located in the Lake View camping loop. Once caught, there is a fish cleaning station located next to the entrance of the Whitetail camping loop that appeared well kept and very clean. One of the day use areas at the state park is located next to the boat ramp. The area was clean, had a playground, and benches were under trees. Another day use area is located in the Towash Shelter Loop. This is a scenic spot to picnic near the lake, and there are also designated swimming areas as well. This spot also has a historical marker for the first competitive bass tournament held in 1956. A much smaller day use area can be found after the Roadrunner camping loop, where families can also picnic and swim. At the end of the Sunset Ridge camping loop and near the Towash Forest Trail is the Clay Bank Seasonal Day Use Area. This day use area did not have any picnic benches, but was also another good spot to fish or take in the view. There are only 2 trails at this park, one of which is the Towash Trail. This 0.9-mile trail is considered easy, with part of it going along the shores of Lake Whitney. The Towash Forest Trail is the second trail at this state park. It is 1.2 miles long and considered easy. There are no trees offering shade for part of the trail, which is something to keep in mind if hiking during the summer. There are plenty of camping options offered at Lake Whitney. Full hookup campsites are offered in the Horseshoe camping loop and come with the 50-amp hookup, as well as water and sewer hookup for $24 a night. Campsites with water are $14 a night, and sites with electricity are $20 a night. Green shelters are located in the Towash Shelter Loop and have electricity. Rates are $30 a night, but no pets are allowed. There are 2 cabins also located in this area that are $50 a night. If you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments below. Please hit that like and subscribe button, and until next time, keep trekking.